So I decided to come on here and just throw this wig on and show y'all what this $17.99 wig looks like on. And what? So if y'all remember, I had did a wig haul video and I told y'all about this wig. It's by Newborn Free. That's the brand name. It is their Cutie collection. And I have her in the style Cutie 194 Curtain Bang Wig 01. And the color I have is the FT/Sugar. So I was actually going to record this video last night. I had my makeup on. Everything was cute. But I put it on and I was like, I need to do a haul, like a redo on this wig. So I already got my curling iron out. It says you can use heat up to 360 degrees. I never use more than like 330, 340. But this flat iron is by T3. It doesn't, like, it had the book where it'll tell you which temperatures were what level, and I lost it. So I'm just gonna switch it. I went ahead and fastened the clips in the back because she has no combs. And there's no lace. It's only this skin top parting. Let me throw her on. Okay, so one of the problems, just this side is like, it's not this side basically. So that's why I have the flat iron, because yeah. But another thing is that the bangs are shorter on her, so I'm gonna have to trim this. Now that I cut it, I probably don't need to. Excuse my son. Now that I cut it, I may not. Oh no, I do. Yeah, I do. Look at that. I don't know why it just doesn't flow the way this side does. Like, this side is so gorgeous, and then there's this side. So we're gonna have to fix it with the flat iron. I don't know if I should do it this way. Or maybe that's the problem. Oh. I'm gonna do this side too, just so it's like uniform. I'm trying to save this wig. Okay, this is the best that I could do. I don't think it's bad. It's definitely worth $17.99, not a penny more. But yeah, this is cute. I love the color. The hair is actually, like, surprisingly, because for a long wig, it does not tangle whatsoever. What is that? Oh, it does not. Okay, there, guys. I'm pretty sure it was gonna snag, but for the quality of the hair, for it to be so affordable is surprising. I would definitely say that. And yeah. So imagine this was like, should I do an updo, like a cute updo? I think it's just good, like, down. But if I wanted to make it work as an updo, I could. But let me show you the back and the front again. But yeah, I think it's cute. I like it's like a nice little curtain bang wig. And yeah, tell me what you think.